Have you ever wondered if there's a more effective way to pray for what you truly desire? Today, we delve into the powerful teachings of Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher who revolutionized the concept of prayer. His methods go beyond traditional prayer, offering a profound understanding of how to use the power of your mind to manifest anything you desire. Join us as we explore Neville Goddard's transformative teachings and learn how to pray in a way that brings your deepest wishes to life. Neville Goddard was a mystic and spiritual teacher known for his profound insights into the power of the human imagination. Born in Barbados in 1905, Goddard moved to the United States in his late teens, where he eventually began his journey into spirituality and metaphysics. His teachings emphasize the idea that imagination is the key to creating reality. Goddard believed that by harnessing the power of our minds, we can shape our lives and manifest our desires. Central to Neville Goddard's teachings is the concept of prayer. Unlike traditional views that often involve supplication and asking for help, Goddard's approach to prayer is about assuming the feeling of the wish being fulfilled. He taught that prayer is not about begging for what we want, but about aligning ourselves with the state of already having received our desires. This shift in perspective can profoundly change how we approach prayer and manifestation. To understand Neville Goddard's view on prayer, it's essential to grasp the fundamental difference between traditional prayer and his method. Traditional prayer often involves asking a higher power for something, hoping that the request will be granted. In contrast, Goddard's method involves embodying the state of having already received what you desire. This method requires a deep sense of belief and a clear vision of the desired outcome. Goddard taught that the feeling of the wish fulfilled is the key to effective prayer. When you pray, you should feel as though your desire has already been realized. This feeling creates a powerful vibration that attracts the desired outcome into your life. By focusing on the end result and feeling the emotions associated with it, you align yourself with the reality you wish to create. Imagination is a powerful tool that shapes our reality. According to Neville Goddard, imagination is the creative force behind all manifestations. Everything we experience in the physical world starts as a thought or image in our minds. By using our imagination consciously, we can create the reality we desire. To harness the power of imagination, start by visualizing your desire in vivid detail. Imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your desired outcome. The more detailed and realistic your visualization, the more effective it will be in shaping your reality. Your imagination is limitless, and by using it deliberately, you can manifest anything you desire. One of the core principles of Neville Goddard's teachings is the idea of assumption and feeling. This principle involves assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled and living as if your desire has already been realized. By doing so, you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome, making it more likely to manifest. To practice this principle, start by identifying your desire and imagining how it would feel to have it already fulfilled. Focus on the emotions you would experience, such as joy, gratitude, and contentment. By cultivating these feelings, you create a vibrational match to your desire, attracting it into your life. The state akin to sleep, SATS, is a powerful technique taught by Neville Goddard for manifesting desires. SATS involves entering a relaxed, drowsy state similar to the moments before falling asleep. In this state, your mind is more receptive to suggestions, making it an ideal time for visualization and affirmation. To practice SATs, find a quiet place where you can relax without distractions. Lie down and close your eyes, taking slow, deep breaths to calm your mind and body. As you enter a state of deep relaxation, begin to visualize your desire as if it has already been fulfilled. Imagine the details vividly and feel the emotions associated with your desired outcome. Repeat this practice regularly to reinforce your intentions and align yourself with your desires. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. When you visualize, you create a mental image of your desired outcome, which helps to align your thoughts and emotions with what you want to manifest. The key to effective visualization is to make the image as vivid and realistic as possible. Start by finding a quiet place where you can focus without interruptions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and body. Begin to imagine your desired outcome in detail, using all your senses. See the colors, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions associated with your desire. The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the more powerful it will be in shaping your reality. Living in the end is a fundamental concept in Neville Goddard's teachings. This principle involves acting as if your desire has already been fulfilled, embodying the state of having what you want. By living in the end, you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome, making it more likely to manifest. To practice living in the end, start by identifying your desire and imagining how you would feel and behave if it were already fulfilled. Focus on maintaining these feelings and behaviors throughout your day. By consistently aligning yourself with the state of having your desire, you create a powerful vibration that attracts it into your life. Faith and persistence are crucial components of successful manifestation. It's important to maintain unwavering faith in your ability to manifest your desires, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Persistence involves staying committed to your intentions and continuing to practice the principles of assumption and feeling, visualization, and living in the end. To cultivate faith and persistence, remind yourself of past successes and the power of your imagination. Trust that your desires are being fulfilled and stay focused on your goals. By maintaining a positive mindset and persevering through difficulties, you strengthen your ability to manifest anything you desire. Many individuals have experienced profound transformations using Neville Goddard's teachings. These success stories serve as powerful reminders of the effectiveness of his methods and the limitless potential of the human mind. By hearing about others' experiences, you can find inspiration and motivation to continue your practice. One common theme in these success stories is the importance of belief and consistency. Those who have successfully manifested their desires often emphasize the need to fully embrace the feeling of the wish fulfilled and to practice visualization and assumption regularly. By following their example and staying committed to your practice, you can achieve similar results. Doubt and negative thoughts can hinder the manifestation process, but there are techniques to overcome them. One effective method is to replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. When doubt or negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment, and then consciously replace them with affirmations. For example, if you find yourself thinking, "I can't do this," replace it with, "I am capable and worthy of achieving my desires." By consistently reinforcing positive beliefs, you can shift your mindset and align yourself with your goals. Another technique is to practice mindfulness and meditation to calm your mind and reduce negative thoughts. By regularly taking time to quiet your mind and focus on the present moment, you can develop greater control over your thoughts and emotions. Neville Goddard's teachings offer a powerful approach to prayer and manifestation. By understanding the concepts of assumption and feeling, utilizing techniques like the state akin to sleep and visualization, and maintaining faith and persistence, you can manifest anything you desire. The key is to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome, and to trust in the power of your imagination. Remember that doubt and negative thoughts are natural, but can be overcome with positive affirmations and mindfulness practices. By staying committed to your practice and trusting in the process, you can achieve profound transformations in your life. Let's conclude with a powerful affirmation inspired by Neville Goddard's teachings. I am the creator of my reality, and I have the power to manifest my deepest desires. Repeat this affirmation regularly and believe in its truth. May your path be filled with light, love, and the fulfillment of your heart's desires. Thank you for joining me in exploring the inner life and the powerful teachings of Neville Goddard.